and the Koshi, these rivers, it is starting from the Nepal part of Himalaya, and they are the rivers which flood part of the northern plain every year. From these rivers we are getting the flood in northern part of India every year, then causing widespread damage to life and property, whereas they enrich the soil for agricultural use. Even though we are getting flood and we are facing lots of problem with that, but we are getting fertility because it is carrying many silt and sand from the fertile soil from Himalayan ranges. The main tributaries which come from the peninsular uphold means from the central highland of India, that are the Chambal, Betwa and the Sun. These three rivers, it is coming from central highland of India, like Vindhya, Satpura hills, like that other highland area. These rise from semi-arid areas, have shorter course and do not carry much water in them. These three rivers, it is not having much water because it is starting from a small highland area and it is coming from arid, means less water area. And find out where and how they ultimately join in the Ganga. That is our activity we want to find out. Then, do you know the Namami Gange program is an integrated conservation mission approved as a flagship program by a union government in June 2014 to accomplish a twin objective of the effective abatement of pollution, conservation and regeneration of the national river Ganga. Which one is our national river? That is Ganga. Please underline. And what is the program name? Namami Gange program, means that Hindi word it is. So what is the objective of that one? We want to control the pollution, as well as we want to conserve the river. Then we want to regenerate, means we want to pollution free and becoming making the Ganga river to a young one. That is the work of that particular program, and you will get the details of that one in the website also given. Enlarged with the water from its right and left bank tributaries. We have seen right bank tributaries, it is starting from Himalaya, and left bank tributaries, it is starting from the central highland of India. And the Ganga flows eastward till Paraka in the West Bengal. Up to Paraka it is moving to westward side. This is the northmost point of the Ganga delta, and the river bifurcate here, and Bhagirathi and Hooghly means flows southward through the deltaic plain to the Bay of Bengal. Okay, we'll see that one. Then the this tributary, again it is making the branches. First it is becoming one river, then again it is becoming branches and flowing to Bay of Bengal. Okay, let us see that one. Okay, here we can see the Ganga, it is coming together here, and afterwards again it is becoming the branches here. We can see the two branches it is showed, not only two branches, many small other branches also, and it is forming delta area also here. So we can see the rivers, it is in the starting, it is starting from with the help of many tributaries, then it is coming the main course, and again it is becoming the splitted one, or we can see the tributaries. Not only the this one Ganga river, we can see in the Mahanadi river also same condition. Then the Godavari river also same condition. Krishna river also having the like the tributaries we can see. Okay, then we are moving to lesson again. The main stream flows southward into Bangladesh and is joined by the Brahmaputra. Then it is making two main branches. One is coming to which one? Bay of West Bengal and joining in Bay of Bengal, and one of the stream it is going to Bangladesh and joining with Brahmaputra. We can see that one also. We can see here. It is not that much clear, but we can see here from where it is starting, that exact point not showed here. We can see the major river, it is flowing to this side, and one minor river it is flowing, and it is joining with Brahmaputra and coming to Bay of Bengal when it is in there in Bangladesh. Okay, then this mighty river, sorry, before that, further, okay, it is known as the Meghna. When it is going and joining with Brahmaputra, then it is known as Meghna. And this mighty river with water from Ganga and Brahmaputra flows to the Bay of Bengal. The delta formed by these rivers is also known as the Sundarban Delta. Because of the two major rivers, it is making the delta. And what name we given? Sundarban Delta. Okay, the Sundarban Delta derived its name from the Sundari tree, which grows well in marshy land. The marshland means that a little bit clayey and watery land, that area. It is growing many Sundari trees. That's why it is known as the Sundarban Delta. And it is the world's largest and fastest growing delta. It is also the home for the Royal Bengal tigers. That is our Indian national animal. And that is the Royal Bengal tiger. And where it is living? It is living in the Sundarban deltas. The length of the Ganga river is over 2500 kilometers. Look at the figure 3.4. You can identify the types of drainage pattern formed by Ganga river system. Ambala is located in the water divide between the Indus and the Ganga river system. We can go there once again in the map. Then you can see here. We can see the starting. It is starting from the area. Which one? The Indus river, Brahmaputra river, and Ganga river, and it is having the division there, the small division that is known as the Ambala. Then Ambala making the water divide into Ganga and Indus river. Then the plain from Ambala, the south to the Sundarban stretches over nearly 1800 kilometers, but the fall in its slope is hardly 300 meters. In other words, there is a fall of just 1 meter for every 6 kilometers. Therefore, the river develops large meadows because the river is flowing not like many water flows falls in between. So it is moving little bit slowly. That's why it is developing many meadows. Means the water is staying there. Slowly it is moving. We have seen that one in the lower coast, upper coast. That first picture itself, we can see like that water is stopped here or making like a small lake like that, and slowly it will start to next flow. Like that area we are calling it Mender. And we can see in the Ganga river like that many meanders are there. Okay, then next one we are moving to next part. Okay, we will continue. Thank you.